how to create a Pinterest business account. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Pinterest business account for affiliate marketing and other advertising. So let's get into it. Now first off, you're going to go to pinterest.com, and over here you're just going to click on business. Now after that, you're going to be led to the business.pinterest.com website, where it's a bit different, and over here it does focus on creating content, advertising, insights, and resources. And what you're just going to do is you're going to click on sign up over here. Now all you need to do is enter your email, add any password that you like, and then you're going to click on create account. Now after that, you're going to add your business or brand name over here. So whatever is your website name, you're going to add that over here. So if it is Jane's Photography, you're going to add that over here. So we're going to do that. Then you're going to link your website as well. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you can make a affiliate marketing website as well and link that over here. But I'm just going to skip that for now. After that, you're going to add the focus of your brand. So first off, you have to select one category that your brand works in. If this is affiliate marketing, you can go with others, but if it is fashion, you can go with that. If it is art and design, you can go with that. So we're going to go with art and design, and we're going to add 3 goals. So depending on what kind of business you're running and what the overall goal directory is, you can generate more leads to your business if you're doing affiliate marketing, and you can drive more traffic to your site, and then you can grow brand awareness. But if you're selling your own products, you probably want to sell more product instead of just adding more leads to your website. So you're going to select sell more products if your goal is to make more money. But we're going with the idea that we are a affiliate marketing website, so we're going to continue, and then we're just going to click on next over here. And then you can see there is a option in where if you are interested in running ads on Pinterest, you can go with yes, and if you're not sure, you can skip for now. And just like that, your account has been created. Now first off, if you go onto your business hub, you're going to see your basic profile, and you can edit this from here. So from here, you can add your about section, you can add your pronouns, you can add a better username and a better email address for your Pinterest business account that other people are going to be able to see. So you want to make sure that you actually add all of these details that are significant to your brand onto your public profile. Now, once you have your basic profile set up, you're going to start editing your overall public profile. So you're going to click on add a cover. You're going to upload images over here. So I'm just going to upload any image that I can find right now, just as a sample. So this I'm just adding as an example for you guys, but you want to add an image that is significant to your brand or to your website. After that, you're even going to add a pin code as well. So you can add and download a pin code. After that, you're going to start adding pins. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this plus icon on the right over here. You can add a pin or a board, and on a board you can add many things like affiliates, or let's just say we're doing top photography. And then you can choose to make this a private board or not, and then we're just going to click on create. Once you have created your board, you can start adding pins to it. And why would I suggest adding different pins to your own business board? Well, the reason is if you add different pins to this board, so let's say you're going to add this, you're going to add this. Now, after adding like 1 or 2 pins from other people, what you're going to start doing is you're going to upload your own pins. So first off, you're just going to click over here. So you're going to go back to your basic profile. You're going to click over here. You're going to add different pins. So you're going to add photography. Then you're just going to click on the image and add your pin like this. And then you can even add a destination link as well. So let's just do a destination link to here like so. And you're just going to click on publish. Now, once you publish a pin for your own item or your own product or affiliate, you're going to add it to your own board. And this will serve as free advertising for you. So we're just going to go back to our top photography board. And you can see over here, I added this pin, and now this is a very easy way to promote your own products without having to go through third-party applications or any kind of sign-up processes. You can start adding and promoting your own affiliates over here as well. And the best part is if you see these images like so, they have Twitter links. So if I actually click over here, I can directly go and view the original post where this was posted. And you can do the same with affiliates as well. Now, after that, you might be wondering, why should you go with Pinterest Business? Well, on Pinterest Business, it gives you a lot of different creative liberties that you're not going to find on other platforms. Like getting paid on Pinterest is very different. You can make your pins shoppable, you can partner up with brands, and you can get started with the business Pinterest account to get a different look at Pinterest. And if you take a look at the advertising section, you can see that Pinterest has ads, it has a social media ad manager, it has a shopping solution, and it also has analytics and measurement on their platform. So that was just a general overview of the Pinterest business platform. So once you have created a business account here on Pinterest, you can see your overall monthly views, your followers, your overall performance for your account. And then you have a detailed section for your analytics overview, so you can see your impressions, saves, outbound clicks, and your top pins as well. Now, there are many different benefits for creating your Pinterest account as a business account. First off, you can do affiliate marketing a lot more easier. So if you go onto the Business Hub, you're going to get a lot more details about how well your pins are doing, how well your boards are doing, and you can promote your affiliate links accordingly. So you can go onto any affiliate link program like the Sendinblue or SendGrid affiliate program, and what you're going to do if you're signing up for any kind of affiliate program, you're going to create a pin here on Pinterest. So you're just going to click on create pin, and then you're going to make a pin that promotes that affiliate in an indirect manner. So you can add a title like the best email marketing software list, or you can make it a bit more indirect by saying looking for a email marketing software. Then you can add a question mark. Now after that, you're going to add some images for your affiliate link or your affiliate product, and then you're going to add a little bit of description. So the way that you're going to form this is you're going to write something along the lines of, I think I've found the holy grail for email marketing, and you're going to just write something positive about the thing that you're trying to promote as your affiliate link, and then you're going to add your destination link. So you're just going to copy whatever link you might have, and then you're going to add that link, and then you can just publish immediately over here. Now once you have decided how you're going to format all of this, you've added your images, you're just going to click on publish, and then you will look at least one image for your pin. So I'm just going to use this random image that I have. It's not actually related to this affiliate, but I'm just doing this to fill out the space on this pin. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to publish this. And now once people actually start clicking through my post, I'm going to get a good estimate of what kinds of posts people are actually interested in, what people click through, and what are the posts or pins that people actually skip. So once you have started posting, you're going to get go on over to the analytics section, and then you can see your audience insights and your overall analytics. And it's very important that you very keen on your audience insights. So you want to make sure to view all of your total audience. Then you want to see your engaged audience. Then you can see and monitor them depending on the date range. And then you can also view your audience size. And you're going to get a good detail about the age distribution, gender distribution, locations, and different devices that people use to access your affiliates. And you can market them more towards those people that seem to be more interested. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to create your own business account on Pinterest to promote your affiliate marketing links, or to even promote your own product as well. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.